Why the Mediterranean diet is the best diet in the world.
Ever wondered why the Mediterranean diet is hailed as one of the healthiest in the world? This diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like fish, offers numerous benefits. Studies reveal that it's linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Why? It's high in antioxidants and healthy fats, particularly from olive oil and nuts, which combat inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Moreover, this diet supports brain health, potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. It's also beneficial for weight management, thanks to its emphasis on nutrient-dense foods, while limiting refined sugars and processed foods. Embracing the Mediterranean diet means indulging in delicious, hearty meals while safeguarding your health. So, next time you plan your menu, consider the Mediterranean way. Your heart, brain, and waistline will thank you.
Check our new Mediterranean diet cookbook with easy recipes, nutrition facts, and more. Go in the bio and click the link.